I am going to die.
Habaho kuhanisa n'ibigambo buso bwantama abakozi ba district ya Bushenyi barimo auditor na hamya Shamon urukuri biciro rya Bushenyi Andrew Bayangira hamwe na mukuru w'abakozi Fiona Sanyo w'Abana baje mu kwakira pipe zo kora amaizi gankanga hamwe na Nyabubaare batabandize kuzubara.
Why doesn't he ask us?
Me, I have got the whole, but he's asking to understand something, Madam Ka.
Let him talk to me, not you, Andrew. You don't represent audit.
Fiona Sanyo urukura abakozi yagezaho koreka manu konke ibintu byamukizamani bwa nyuma yo kugira ngo urukuri ibiciro rya district n'uwari kwakira ibintu byija kandi mu bici n'uwagaba Andrew yabisigaho yayegendera.
Abo kubatinga basagumu mu gihe mbarkenze kushobora ekintu kikozwe since May. This is a partnership. Pipe C, district of Gura pipe, national water to transport and keep custody.
Because you are not part of the council. Now, since you are not, no, wait, Mr. Chairman. Since you are not part of the council, let the cow explain.
I was explaining to you.
Because basically, we went to the
Nuwagaba Andrew nagira ngo utari kwiciriza ubwa kwakira hamwe no kubika pipe zidahikireye.
Madam Kauzimara watu wabo izire kora
Are you going to that person?
Can't you get into a car? They can't verify in Nyabubaare and you count from the side.
Twagambaho na district water engineer Victor Kahanje nuko kutebezo kubyagenzere aho Jafar basajja barabayereka ngo auditana no wasitoha bashyikire okwanga pipe zitari kugwa miliyoni gande zahinguzibwe.
Mukitwabe tushemye gukora nka district amiza go gatambuza twantwetaga pipes. So emyanya yitukuza gukoramo twakoreye Ensinganto sya kilometers 17 no bucoye kamunani. Nozo pipes ezimukurebe zitwareta ni roads igana nshanjo na munana ezitwareta a district kurigera a contract yitu asayiningire kugira ngo tusapurayinge ibintu ebi
konka twagira ngo our internal auditor hamwe na storeman bagenda za rolezi baziverifying barebe whether ziyekorire roads igana nshanjo na munana and each road ekwingana mitigana.
Pipe says tuzo kuzirengaje tukora umurumo oguri standard abantu bitu aba Nyabubaare na Nkanga batunga buhereza obwamizi.
RDC wa Bushenyi imengaberano we nagera ngo baharabe harumwe bitashoborokere ngo konka government kozurogwayo.
Ngo government iriyo ne deliveringa. These are some of the things to protect. Twan tugamba protecting the gains. These are the gains. Twan tugamba implementation of manifesto ya NRM for the last 5 years. This is it. Tukaraganisangu there will be water coverage almost in every village and we are fulfilling that dream. Bushenyi water coverage is not a problem.
Aho twarujura umwanya ugu twasigaburyo mwari kurebana na mugenzi wa Hamisho amakoraga gashakwa Sheikh Abdulatif.